Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today, yes, these are the first puzzles in 2025. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Thursday, January the 2nd, 2025. We have here three regular puzzles. Let me show you. 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, and the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. And we have an additional with 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 star Sudoku with 2 Jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. They call it cipher block in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. Now I will start with these 3 regular puzzles. And the first one is the 3 stars. Yeah, the 3 stars puzzle. Number. Let me see which number this will be. This will be number 9827. Yeah, 9827. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 1 digit more. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, we need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars. 3 stars puzzles, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is it a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. There's a lot of 8s. 3, 4, 5. Let me start with 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column, so the first column. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Alright. Then let me see. How about 3? Alright. We have a 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3, 3, 3, okay. 3, 3. Need a 3 here or there. Well, I cannot continue with the 3. I need to wait. 3, 3, 3, yeah. How about the 7 in the third column? 7 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Need a 7 there. You have a 7 there. Yeah, need a 7 there. Okay. Then, let me see. The 9 in this row, the 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1, 1. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 in these two boxes. So 1 box left with 5 in this big square. Shoot it in. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 and the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing, 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes at there. Then, need a 6 here. Need a 6 here. 6, 6, 6. Nope. 7 and a 9. Okay. Need a 9 there. Need a 9 here. Okay. 1, 3, and 7. 1, 3, and 7. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7. And look, we have 1 and a 3 in this column. No 1 and 3 in this box. 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there, so 1 digit left in this row. Number 7. 7 here. Need a 2 there. Need a 4 here. 5, 6. I need a 7 here. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, and the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7. And look, we have a 4 and the 7 in this row. So no 4 and a 7 in this box. 4 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square. For number 2, 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1, 2, 1, and 2. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Then 2 in the last row, 2 in a row above. So that row, there are only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2, 2. Cannot continue with the 2 now. Need to wait. 3 in this column. 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the second row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. Need a 3 here. Need a 9. Need a 9 there. Come on, come on, come on, come on. These 3 missing numbers in this column, the second column, are the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 2, 4, 5. Okay. 2, 4, 5. So the other 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 1, 6. The 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 1, 6, 9. 1, 6, 9. Well, we have a 1, 6, 9. 1, 6, 9. Well, here can be a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. The 1 should be also there. 6, okay. It's not helping me, this 1, 7 here. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those 3 of those missing numbers are the numbers Oh, wait. We have a 1 here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so it'll come next. The only place left for the 1 should be here. Now 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are numbers. The 9 and the 7. We have a 9 and a 7 in this column, so no 9 and 7 in these 2 boxes. 9 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9, 7, 9, 7. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 4 and a 7. We have a 7 now in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 4 goes there, so 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above, so that row. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 1 box left now in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing here. 1 box left in the middle column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. Okay. 2 missing numbers in the third column for numbers the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, 5. 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2, 4, 5. That means 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 9 and the 6, 9 and the 6. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last row. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 is missing. No. We have a 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 9 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, so last column. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 5 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. Let me mark those. We have here 6 and a 9. We have a 6 now in the last, in the third row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. 6, 6, 6. Okay, 9 and the 5. We have a 9 now in the third row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. 2, 4, 5. We have a 2 and a 5 in this row. So no 2 and a 5 in this box. 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. 4 and a 9. We have a 9 now in the second row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 4 goes there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 4 should be there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 13 minutes. Well, not a 3, not a 2, not a 1. Should be at 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So, well, pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Regular puzzles, the 4 Stars Sudoku and the Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. By the way, tomorrow, it's Friday, the first Friday of the month. So there will be a speed test, of January. Alright, see you in a minute. Bye-bye for now.